Hello student, I Shital Jagtap working as an assistant professor in Kekewak College. Today we will see an overview of Java in which consists of types of comments, data types, literals, variables, operators, expression and type conversion. First of all, as we know, there are two types of comments. In C we have seen multi-line comments as well as single line comments. Double slash consists of single line comment, whereas slash star and star slash consist of multi-line comments. There are various keywords which we have already seen in object-oriented concept as well as procedure-oriented concept, that is in C and in C++. There are some extra keywords that are introduced in Java like synchronized, package, okay. Then there is also one new keyword is there, instance of, transient, okay. There are various keyword introduced in Java. Remaining are same like C as well as C++. Identifiers, name of things that cannot be same as any keyword are nothing but the identifier. Obviously they are case sensitive, in which it consists of letters, digit, underscore, dollars. Data types are nothing but the set of values together with a set of operations. They may be primitive data type or non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, there will be integral, floating point or boolean, in which floating points data type having precision 6 or 7, whereas for double having precision 15. In which boolean may be of true or false. Again there are integral data type, that is char, byte, short, int, long. There is a chart for values and memory allocation for integral data type. For data type char, there will be a value 0 to 65,535 and it will be stored in a 2 bytes. In bits, there will be a 16 bits. Similar to byte, short, int, long, there have their separate storage areas, like byte having 1, short having 2, int having 4 and long having 8. Literals, there will be null, true, integer, long. These where are nothing but the literals. Null literals means what? Null. Boolean literals means true or false. Integer means integer value. Long means long value. Floating point literals. Floating point or double is nothing but the floating variables or values, double values. The next is a character literal. Obviously characters are included in a single quotes. Like for example single quote A, then single quote completed, then again percent in single quotes. Okay, that are nothing but the characters. There are some commonly used escape sequences like /n for new line, /t for tab, /b for backspaces, /r return, double slash for backslash, slash single quote quotation, slash double quote for double quotation. String literals. The string's definition is nothing but the set of character and it is enclosed in double quote is considered as a string. For example, double quotes, the empty string and again double quotes, or this is a string that are included in a double quotes. String and the operator plus. Operator plus in string considered for a concatenation. For example, string str int num1, num2. Num1 is equal to 12, num2 is equal to 26. But whenever we take a str variable, then there will be an concatenation between them. For example, str is equal to the sum equal to plus num1 plus num2. The result will be 1, 2, 2, 6. In which num1 having value 1, 2 and num2 having value 2, 6. When we will use plus symbol, then that time it will get concatenation. Arithmetic operators or operator precedence. 5 arithmetic operation we know that plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star multiplication, slash division, modulus for percent symbol. There will be a unary operator, that means it having only one operand. Binary operator, that means operator having two operands. There are precedent operators like exclamatory, plus, minus, that are unary operator, that is first, then star, slash, percent, second, plus, minus, normal, third, then less than, that is a relational operator, less than, greater than, equal to, or less than, equal to, or greater than, that are fourth, then equal to and not equal to fifth, and sixth or seventh, and equal to assignment is the last. There will be three types of expression, that is integral expression, floating point or decimal expression, or mixed expression. Normal integer values are taken, that are nothing but the integral expression, that is 2 plus 3 into 5, that all are integers. Floating expressions are nothing but the decimal point multiplication addition, that are the floating point expression. And mixed means integer as well as floating point, that is 2 plus 3.5 or 6 divided by 4 plus 3.9, that all are included in a mixed expression. Then next is a type conversion, or it is also called as a casting. It is used to avoid the implicit type of coercion, that is a error. Okay, then syntax is for, that is data type name and expression. Expressions are evaluated first, then type is converted to data type. For example, in bracket int 7.9 plus 6.7, a result will be 14. First of all, the addition will become, and afterwards that addition is converted to their particular data type. Okay, that is 14. Okay, in the next lecture we will see different types of control structure. Hope you understand.